Alright, so now I'm going to take out this is a 2019 Panigale V4. The beast of a bike. Gonna try the Quickshifter so I can stop getting crap. I'm just a regular guy, man. I don't know how to use the damn thing. Or I never did, so I'm not used to it. Take it easy. So he's kind of like, what are you doing riding a Ducati? And that is a very good question. And I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. No clue. Whatever mode it's in, whatever. I'm just gonna do it. Does this have Quickshifter?
Yeah.
This is a base model.
Yeah.
Is it only up?
No, up and down.
Okay, cool. I asked, don't judge. Never used a Quickshifter, took the Street Fighter out, didn't use it. Oh, I get it. Just don't use the clutch. Oh, that's cool. I like it. I think it's also down. Yeah, it is down. So as soon as you touch the shifter, it just adjusts. In fact, if I don't, let's see. Oh, that's cool. All right, everybody happy? I used the Quickshifter. Yay! And down, I think down is even better. So no clutch, just downshift, and it kind of does everything for you. That is really awesome. Kind of a slow speed usage right now. That's a green, oh no, the green light. All right, here we go. Just call me Captain Clutchless from now on. Okay, take 3. Get your act together there, Sparky. Yeah, it's really fun. Learning curve. Here we go. Wow. Could do this all day. Oh man. Those aquapovic pipes give a little pop with it as a little extra, you know. I have to say, I like the downshift almost as much. The way it gives a little rev match, like a little vroom, that's pretty cool. It's kind of like I touch it and it gives a little rev and then it downshifts. Yep, you can do it nice slow too for me short rides. But there I go using the clutch again, you know? I just wanted to make this light though. Holy crap, that was a big bump. A little dicey here. Well, super fun and highly addictive Quickshifter up and down. There it is. Yeah. Whenever I forget about it, I use the clutch. You can just go no clutch, working my way down. I can't get used to it on one short 10-minute ride. Up for it. There, right, that is so fun. Tip on that thing down to 2. Alright, I gotta get one. See that? I used it again. I used it like 10 times. So don't yell at me. Don't comment, yell at me.